Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Try it! How about? Come on. It's good for you. Come on, take it again. Come on. Take it, take it, take it. What do you think?
Oh.
Wait. Come on, take it, take it. Mmm. Take it, take it. Oh, see, you just needed to have a bite. See? Stubborn butts. Oh, take it, take it, take it.
Your mom called you fat, Miss Kaylee. She has to pay for that one later.
I said she had a big butt. There's a difference. Is that good pie? Good pie? Oh yeah, pie. Technically, you're having pie for dinner because you didn't eat much of the other stuff. Aren't you lucky? Yum. Yeah, you planned that on purpose, didn't you? Yum. Party in my tummy. Huh.
She's all dinner schminner. Let's get straight to dessert.
You're still eating a vegetable. Ha 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 ha.
That's a good thing about pies. It involves fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
Are pumpkins
Yummy.
considered fruit since they have seed?
Yummy, yummy,
They're gourds.
yummy, 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 yummy.
Do you want pie, John?
You eating gourds?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a piece of apple, I think.
Okay.
I don't eat like this.
Do you want to whip?
Yeah, probably. You have some?
Mm-hmm.